What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey girl, my name is Jayla. Don't forget to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. So we are about to go out to eat. Today is Friday. Literally we got 10 days until Christmas, y'all. I don't know, I'm just not feeling in the Christmas spirit this year. I don't know. So, but hopefully we can go see some lights like before Christmas, because I like looking at lights. I like looking at people's lights. So hopefully we can see some type of light show or something. That would be great. Didn't say it, but if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. What else? I have so what do I got going on this weekend? I have my sis birthday brunch. I'm just surrounded by Sagittariuses because I feel like everybody's birthday is in December. So one of my two closest friends are in December. So anyway, we have a brunch to go to tomorrow. I'm excited to try this brunch place because I've never tried them before, but I've heard a lot of good things, so hopefully it's good, because you know your girl loves some brunch. What else? I was gonna get my hair done tomorrow, but I think I'm gonna push that more towards Christmas time, so that will be next Friday. And next Friday I'm gonna go visit my mom and spend like 2 days with her, and then on Christmas Day I'll be at my dad's house, which I usually am, and spend Christmas with my siblings, my dad, my stepmom, all them. So yeah, y'all, it's been a hard week, long hard week. I don't know, I've just been having a lot going on at work. I feel like new projects, getting ready for 2024. Yeah, just a lot of stuff, but good stuff. Like, oh, that's what's going on with me. But yeah, I'll catch y'all once we eat. Like, y'all, I'm hangry. I'm like past hungry. I haven't had anything besides like a granola bar that my coworker gave me, which she was super sweet. But yeah, I'm starving. What's up, y'all? So today is Saturday. Yeah, yesterday we went to that Thai restaurant. I got past you. It was pretty good. I would only say I would give it like an 8 out of 10. The only thing I would say is they took forever to bring out our food because they had like an event and stuff, but still, we got there before the event, and the event was getting served before us. So I was a little hot about that because I was starving, as y'all know. But about to go to my girls' brunch. I'm like tying down my edges. It's gonna be the same style that you guys seen yesterday, but we're gonna be wearing Kalani Vanilla. This smells so good. If you're looking for a vanilla scent, I would highly recommend. When I smelled this in the store, I was like, oh yeah, baby, I need the 3 ounce. I need the big body. So this is gonna be the scent of the day. And then I'm wearing this like white crop top. I have this like what's that bra called that's wireless, that doesn't have a wire? Bralette. I'm wearing a bralette. Then I'm wearing some like Fashion Nova jeans, and some knee-high boots. So anyway, she's about to come pick me up, so I will catch y'all once we get there.
No extra work, so yeah. It's like I go in.
But yeah, see, and that's it's another thing. Like if you go in, I feel like if I was to be fully remote, happy birthday to my sis, the big 25.
I guess he could just be feminine. Yeah. Let me not assume. I recant my statement. Maybe because he's an Dominican, I don't know. He's half and half. Bleach the, what is that?
Wait, hold
I
on.
don't believe it. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Am I ruining the aesthetic by putting my water in? That's the real question. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I haven't felt that way in a long time, so it felt weird.
I feel like now I'm so used to it. Yeah. Like even
Oh, you need butter too.
with the little dance that they have that only have the right little part, I used to like my whole body.
Yeah, but let me know if it fits and like you can get a resize. I figured your wrist tapped in the eyes, so my son's makeup.
That's cute.
These also, are these all pretty heavy? I know she likes the product there. Yeah. Maybe I'll just get the one and then I'm afraid to get something that she doesn't like it because she won't be able to smell it. I always like give her a gift to get her started. Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
What's up, y'all? So it is a little bit later. It is going on 7 o'clock. So brunch earlier was super good. I got this French toast swirl, or no, excuse me, it was the cinnamon swirl French toast, and I give it about like an 8 out of 10. I definitely go back there. My friends had got the chicken and waffles, and that looked really good, so I wouldn't mind trying that next time I go. But my French toast was good. It was good. It wasn't like no typical French toast. Like I definitely would get it again. But and the vibe was cool. We got to have girl talk, so that's always nice. And then I went to Ulta afterwards to look for some things for my sister for Christmas. So I got them both some perfume and a couple other things, which I will show y'all once I go upstairs because the stuff is upstairs. But right now we are about to make some cookies. Y'all know my thing for cookies, but the thing is I'm gonna make a different recipe. So let me show y'all. I saved it. Of course, I got it on TikTok. Let me show y'all. So I'm debating because I done found 2 recipes. They're kind of literally the same. They're literally the same. So I might just go with the one that looks like it's more popular.
For the best brown butter chocolate chip cookies of all time. Start by putting 3/4 of a cup of butter on low heat on the stove. First it will start to bubble up like this, and eventually it'll turn this beautiful golden brown color. Take it off the heat, then add in 1 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of white sugar. Mix that until just combined, then add in 1 large egg yolk, a whole egg, and a tablespoon of vanilla. This is 3 times as much vanilla as normal, and I promise you it's worth it. Then add in 1 3/4 cups of spoon and level all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix this until just combined, then add in 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips or 8 ounces of chopped chocolate. From there, scoop your cookie dough into 2-ounce balls, roll them between your hands, and then I like to do this trick where you
And then you just put it in the oven. So yeah, and then you just put it in the oven, and well, first you gotta refrigerate it for like 30 minutes and then you put it in the oven. I guess refrigerating cookie dough, I guess, helps with flavor, or it helps some way somehow. I don't know exactly how. I just know from like the recipes that I've seen, you should refrigerate your cookies. So anyways, that's what we're about to make. I'm super excited. I haven't baked nothing in a while, and I haven't used my mixer in a while, so I'm excited. Hopefully these cookies come out different than the ones that I made before. So yeah, and I might have me a glass of wine. Let me show y'all what wine I got. We got a bunch of bottles of wine because I don't know, my friends like buying me wine. my birthday, I think I got like 3 bottles of wine. So I got a wine for days. This one, we might have the Stella Peach, or we might have this one, which I think I'm leaning more towards this one because this one's been in the fridge for forever and I need to see if it's still good. But this one's the Stella Ruby what? Ruby Rose. It's nice and cold. But yeah, y'all, that's gonna be my night. I might watch more Blacklist. I'm like mid-season 9. And y'all, why did I find out that Blacklist has not 10 seasons, and so the 10th season is not on Netflix? So now I gotta figure out how to watch it. I think I'll probably have to buy it, which now it depends the way season 9 leaves off. If it's like where I need to watch more, then I might buy it. We'll see. Yeah. Yeah. And this is how they came out. I did this one. I like put some white chocolate in there to see how it tastes, but all the other ones are just Hershey chocolate. And so this is how they came out. What's up, y'all? So today is Sunday. Woke up, edited a video, cleaned my room, took out the trash. Just been doing stuff around the house. Oh, washing clothes. Yeah, getting stuff done. Sunday reset. I wanted to hop on here. First of all, I need to unravel my hair because the way this looks, I don't feel right talking to y'all with my little twisties. But my hair looks nice and soft. Things I got from Ulta before I go ahead and do my makeup. So the first thing I got was the Real Techniques setting brush. I've been seeing girls on TikTok and Instagram using this brush to blend out their concealer. So I'm gonna give this a try because the like sponge, beauty blender, whatever you want to call it, it just hasn't been working for me. It just hasn't been giving. So yeah, we'll see how this goes and I'll let y'all know. And then the last thing I got was the e.l.f. lip oil. I already opened it, but this is what it is. And they say that this that it's supposed to be a dupe for the Laneige lip glowy balm. I have 2 of these, and y'all, these are almost $20. So yeah, $20. And for it to be this small, this is about as long as my finger. So for it to be this small and only $20, yeah, we definitely gonna have to tap into this dupe and see what it's given, because this was $8. So yeah, so let's put some on. I already like put a little bit on, but I wanted to do it on camera. They have like multiple colors, but from the looks of it, it don't look like it's giving a tint. So yeah, it's just lip oil. But it feels really good on the lips, and it smells like peppermint, which I'm not mad at, even though it says it's infused with apricot oil. So anyways, that's what I got. I'm about to beat my face, and then I'm gonna record a fragrance video. So if you guys see that on my channel, definitely check it out. I'm gonna be doing like my favorite winter fragrances. So yeah, and then I'll probably get me something to eat, because you're going to eat all day.